Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have truly exceptional for all the B.Ed students studying at Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. We understand that having access to the latest syllabus is not only crucial but a game changer for your academic success. That's why we are thrilled to announce that we have obtained the official syllabus PDF for both semester 1 and semester 2 of Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University exclusively for you. As you know that the syllabus is more than just a piece of paper. It's your compass guiding you through the vast sea of knowledge. It encompasses all the theory subjects, practicals, assignment and crucial details you need to excel in your B.Ed journey. So let's dive right into the treasure trove of this official syllabus PDF. In both the semester, as the semester 1 is the foundation of your B.Ed program, laying the groundwork for your future as an educator. Within this official syllabus, you will discover a detailed breakdown of the journey of the theory subjects, highlighting the key concepts and topics that will shape your understanding of the subject matter. Furthermore, the syllabus does not stop at theory alone. It unveils the practical component of your courses, providing clear instructions on how to navigate and make the most of your practical sessions. It is an invaluable resource for a well-rounded learning experience. As you progress into semester 2, this official syllabus PDF continues to be your guiding light, illuminating the path to further growth and knowledge. It showcases the remaining subjects, introducing you to the new areas of study while reinforcing the foundation established in semester 1. Now, more than ever, having the official syllabus PDF at your fingertips is a game changer. It ensures you align with the university's expectations, empowering you to make informed decisions, plan your studies effectively, and stay on track towards achieving remarkable success in your B.Ed program. So, whether you are embarking on your B.Ed journey or venturing into the next semester, we urge you to seize this opportunity and dive into the official syllabus PDF for Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. By harnessing its power, you will have a clear roadmap to success, enabling you to unblock your full potential as an aspiring educator. To access this official syllabus PDF, simply click the link provided in the comment section and description section below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow B.Ed students and subscribe to our channel for more educational content and exciting updates. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey of exploring B.Ed. Thank you.